Children, let us hear the conversation of Bheem with Varna. Varna, when I say a number, guess the breakup. Yes, sure, Bheem. How you split 57? 30 plus 7. What about 14? It's 10 plus 4. Now, you write these and say them aloud. Kids, can you guess the number for the first one? It's 20. So, 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Let's do the second one. It's 1. So, 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. Children, now we do for the third one. The numbers are 50 and 4. So, 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. Kids, let us find the answer for the fourth one. It's 99. So, 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. Now, let us do the fifth one. Two numbers are 60 and 3. So, 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. Children, can you find the two numbers for the sixth one? The two numbers are 30 and 6. So, 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. Okay kids, try for the seventh one. Yes, 80 plus 2 is equal to 82. So, the answer is 82.